waiting with anticipation.
Yes.
Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy?
There he is.
There you go. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yana. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Blow!
Blow, Nene, blow. Oh, she can do it. Can we cut you a piece, Nene? You want a piece of cake? You want a piece of cake? Could you give her give me a knife and a plate for her?
Happy birthday to you.
Who had the knife? Maybe we should do that. We do that here.
Dear Yana. Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Look at her pants.